Hey guys, what's up? So today is 19th of August and the stock which we are going to analyze is Info Edge. This stock is also known as Naukari. So this is the weekly time frame of Info Edge, and here we can see that the stock is in a good uptrend and here it has retraced a bit. So to check whether this is a healthy retracement or no, we use the Fibonacci tool. So we use the Fibo tool from the last swing to the highest point, and we can see that the stock went up, came down, took support exactly at the 0.382 levels, and now it is moving up. So this is considered to be a healthy retracement, and we can assume that the stock is going to go further up. But guys, this is just a point for confirmation. This cannot be the only reason for us getting into the trade, so keep this thing in mind. Now coming to the daily time frame of Info Edge, here we can see that the stock has formed a great resistance zone from which it is facing supply again and again. So if I draw a zone like this, we can see that whenever the stock is going up near the resistance zone, it is again coming down, and it has tested the resistance zone for approximately 3 to 4 times. And this is the basic theory of stock market, guys. Whenever a support or a resistance, if it is tested for more times, then it gets weak eventually, and the probability of it giving a breakout or a breakdown is quite high. So that's the second thing. And if we talk about the pattern which the stock is forming over here, it is a inverted head and shoulder pattern, guys. So if I draw, this is the left shoulder, this can be considered as a head, and this can be considered as a right shoulder. So this is an inverted head and shoulder pattern which Info Edge has formed, and the probability of inverted head and shoulder going up is quite high, as it is a bullish pattern, and here it is standing at the breakout level. So guys, please note that the breakout has still not come, and we are going to enter just after the stock has given us a breakout. No matter how many confirmations we have, we are not going to enter in any trades without a breakout or a breakdown. So that's the third thing you should keep in mind. And also please note this trend line, guys. The stock has been following this trend line for quite a long time, and every time it comes to this trend line, it takes support and goes up. So in the next trading session, or maybe next 2 to 3 trading sessions, there are two possibilities which can happen with Infotech. So if we see that there's a high chance that the stock break gives us a breakout over here, test this level and go up, in that scenario we are going to enter at this level, and we are going to aim for an RR ratio of 1:2. And there's an other scenario that the stock in the next trading session just take a resistance and go down, breaks this trend line. So guys, in that scenario we are going to ignore this trade. We are not going to trade in this stock if it gives a breakdown of the trend line. So this is the thing you should keep in mind. And if I talk about the stop loss, you can keep a stop loss around just below this wick, that's around 5 and 5 levels. And if I talk about the target, guys, the stock would be trading at the all-time high, and we cannot assume any target. So I would suggest you that you can go for an RR ratio of more than 1:2. That's the minimum RR ratio you should target for, and also you should keep trailing your stop loss. And guys, one more thing why I feel that the stock is going to go up is, if you notice here that whenever the stock came around the resistance zone, it quickly came down. It did not spend time. In the next very candle, it formed a red candle and came down. Again here it went up, gave us a gap up opening, and here couldn't sustain and again came down. But here if you notice, for quite a long time the stock is accumulating, and whenever a stock accumulates, there's a high probability that the stock is going to give us a move in any direction, which is quite powerful. So this is a thing we should keep in mind, guys. And this was my analysis on info edge. I hope you like it, guys, and if you have learned anything from this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a video, guys. Thank you.